two point charges plus 4q and plus q are placed 30 centimeter apart. At what point on the line joining them the electric field is 0? Okay. So once again the same question, electric field. Okay. So second word, point charges. Point charges. Okay. But we are given two positive charges. Okay. So for that I am going to draw the diagram. Okay. So plus 4q is placed at A and plus q is placed at B. Okay. They are separated by a distance of 30 centimeter. So the distance between them is 30 centimeter. Next word is line joining. Okay. So this is the line which joins the two positive charges. The electric field is 0. At what point? Suppose I want to take this point. It may be C, where the electric field is 0. Where the electric field is 0. Now the distance between A to C is unknown, so it is taken as x. The distance between B to C is the remaining. So the total distance between them is 30. The one part is x. Then what about the remaining part? 30 minus x. So this is the required diagram for us. Okay. Here point charge. So for the point charge, electric field E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by square of the distance between them. Okay. So the positive charge produces the electric field at the point C. The electric field is taken as E1 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by how many q? 4q. So it is taken as plus 4q divided by the distance. The distance is taken as x. Okay. So E2 is the electric field produced by the positive charge at the point C. Okay. Now 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 plus q by 30 minus x the whole square. So now we can add E1 plus E2 is the total electric field. Right? Okay. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 and q can be taken as common. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 and q can be taken as common. So what about the remaining 4 by x square? Yes, 4 by x square. Here 1 by 30 minus x the whole square. So now I am having a doubt. Here we are adding the two, but I didn't put any sign here. Why? For that, the positive charge produces the electric field at the point C, which is always acting radially outwards. The positive charge is also produces the electric field at the point C. Due to that, the electric field is also acting in the opposite direction or radially outwards. So both electric field are acting in the opposite direction. So that I put the minus. The positive charge always experiences the electric field radially outwards. Okay. So for that, both electric field are acting in the opposite direction. So that we put minus. Okay. So what is the question? Electric field is 0. At the point C, the electric field is 0. So the value of E1 plus E2 becomes 0 equal to 1 into q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 4 by x squared minus 1 by 30 minus x the whole square. So this q by 4 pi epsilon 0 comes with this as 4 pi epsilon 0 by q into 0 equal to 4 by x square minus 1 by 30 minus x the whole square. So 0 into something 0. Now the minus value comes with this as plus. So 1 by 30 minus x the whole square equal to 4 by x square. So how we can write this one? 1 square by 30 minus x the whole square equal to 2 square by x square. So numerator and denominator having common squares, so that we can write 1 by 30 minus x the whole square equal to 2 by x the whole square. The getting squares are cancelled. Okay. So 1 by 30 minus x equal to 2 by x. Now cross multiply. 1 into x, x. Now 2 into 30 minus x. So x equal to 2 into 30, 60. 2 into x, 2x. The minus 2x comes to this as plus. So x plus 2x equal to 60. So x plus 2x becomes 3x equal to 60. So 1 3 is 3. So 2 3s are 6. So x equal to 20 centimeter. Now we can go to the result. So what is x? X is the distance from plus 4q to the point C. So at the point C, the electric field is 0. So how we can write the result? Electric field becomes 0 at a distance of 20 centimeter from plus 4q. On the other hand, from the plus q, what about the distance? 30 minus x. What is the value of x? X is 20. So 30 minus 20, 10. So electric field becomes 0 at a distance of 10 centimeter from plus q charge. Okay, do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? Okay, fine.